Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Live a little. Loving the vibe, guys. To be truth be told, over the years doing Cup of Joe, the Christmas season has always been my favorite season. It's coming to an end. Let me wish everybody Happy New Year once again. 2021 is before us, and we decided to close off the Christmas season into the New Year, Christmas into Carnival to Banker, with the man, Tyrone. He's back, we're back, and Tyrone is about to make another cocktail for us. This time brought to you by the folks at Creamery Novelty Lollies. We've been using ice cream all season. Now we're using the Lollies.
Nice.
Tyrone, I haven't sucked a lolly in I don't know how long. I don't know when I
When you think of lolly, it brings back childhood memories.
It brings
definitely.
back childhood memories.
You know, the lolly man passing, ringing the bell.
Yeah.
You know, mommy, hey, lolly, you're playing in the hot sun.
Hot sun.
What we have here, Joe?
So this is a cream soda, and we also have strawberry.
Nice.
And you're gonna make a cocktail, you're saying, with these lollies?
Yes.
Boy, you a hell of a man. Yes, go ahead, brother.
All right. So I'm gonna jump right in, and for this cocktail, we're actually using our blender, and we're jumping right in. Just give it a little notch.
So you're chopping up the people lolly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what's the actual flavor of cream soda to get it to the soda, like that creamy flavor?
Cream.
No. Good try. Good try.
Good guess?
Yeah.
Good guess?
It's actually a vanilla.
Serious?
Yeah.
Vanilla?
Yeah. Vanilla is one of the main flavors.
Of cream soda?
Yeah.
Excellent.
We add all our cream soda goodness into this blender, and fun part is we're gonna be adding some vodka. All right.
Childhood memories just erased.
Just erased.
Back to yourself now.
Yeah, because we ain't dabbling with vodka just yet.
No.
Not just yet. All right. So we're gonna blend this. Hit this a nice little pulse.
Like a little slush
Yes.
kind of vibes.
That's the idea. All right. We take this now and we pour it over into our glass. Evenly distributed between my two glasses. Backing up right behind this, I'm gonna be adding some rose water to this tray. And how I did this rose water, I actually took some rose petals, right? Some red rose petals. So I'm gonna back this up with our strawberry creamery lolly. And look at this beautiful strawberry and rose.
That is fantastic.
Right.
You almost do a media Tyrone.
Yeah. And I'm just gonna use a little layering technique
Right.
in trying to get it to, you know, get a little layer
Nice.
of pink,
Yeah.
strawberry, and rose. So Joe, this is the fun part of the cocktail
So wait, we topping
with some Prosecco.
Prosecco.
Yeah.
New Year's vibe.
New Year's vibes.
Happy New Year!
Full blast.
Wow.
And we're just gonna top this with some Prosecco. Simple as well. Gonna take strawberry. Throw in a little white petal.
My brother.
There we go.
My brother. This is a cocktail, as I said, to get 2021 off to a start.
Of course.
Hey,
Cheers.
cheers. I just want to take this time, as I said, to thank this brother, Tyrone. He has been on the show doing some fantastic cocktail with his entire team of artistic bar concepts and the rest of the guys.
Always a pleasure to be here, Joe.
But this guy, this year, got married in 2020 and had a son.
Yes.
Congratulations. I didn't get to the public to congratulate you.
Thank you, brother. Cheers for that.
Cheers to life. Cheers
Yes.
2021.